Hello everyone, I'm Drew from Dahua. Today I'm going to show you about our Dahua XVR and Dahua HCV camera. Now we have two models. First one is active deterrence, second one is the full color. So we can see from here. Okay, we have these two cameras. This one is active deterrence and building the serial and flashlight. This one is full color cameras. This is built-in mic. And for HCV cameras, we can use two different cables to connect. The first one is fast cable. Second one is Cat6 cable. Both we can use, no problem. And now we can connect camera. So after we connect cameras, it will automatically showing in our XVR. So first, let me go to the information. Here is the general information about XVR device, model and firmware version. If we want to update firmware, we can check from here. Because I connect two cameras. First one channel is full color, second one channel is our motion active deterrence cameras. Because now I didn't enable this function. Now we go to settings to enable the motion detection. Turn on motion detection because this is channel 2. We enable here. And also because this camera has motion detection and PR function, we can enable together. Here is the show message. Then we need to enable the white light and serial. Don't forget to apply it. Then to test it. So we can see from here we have motion detection and also the camera. We have the flashlight and also have the serial, have the voice inside. This flashlight we can set in continue flash or always bright in this. Now we can close this. Then we disable this function. Another one camera is the full color cameras. This one is full color cameras. This one also set in the motion detection. So you can see from here, we have the motion detection alarm. The setting thing, we just select channels and enable the motion detection. And what kind of information we want to upload, we can select here. And even though we can set in by email to receive the notifications and apply. Then we close the night to test. Even though in the no nights, it can keep colorful. Now we close the night. So we can compare two cameras. There are two cameras. One is full color, another one is without full color functions. So we can see, even though in the night the full color is colorful, maybe you see this image is blue because of this TV. But we can see from the books, the red colors we can show you no problem. So that means in indoor use, even though in the night, even it's no night, zero night, so we can see the image is colorful. Because if without the colorful functions, we can see the second one channels is black and white. So this is different about these two cameras. And also these two cameras is our good products. So we want to show to our customers to our advantage. Now tonight is open, so we can see in the night. It's okay. So also in the XVR, we have some functions like pose functions. the post, we have different protocol. So if we want to integrate with the post machine, we must check with post machine what kind of protocol they support. If the post machine supports this protocol, and also because different protocol version will be different, so we need to check one by one. Then we can confirm it's working or not. Even though it's not a existing protocol, but we can do customization, no problem. Another function is IoT. Because here we don't have the sensor, actually it can connect to our sensor, like door sensor. For example, if the door is open, and if we connect to sensor, it will show in the alarm information in our XVR. So this is we call IoT functions. Others is like normal radio recording, setting, playback functions. In camera side, we have encodings. So we can see the image, we can adjust it. In the encoding, for example, if the camera built-in mic, we can go to local setting. We can select different audio resource, the source. If we use glass cable, we can choose HTC web. Also in substring, we can set it. Because some cameras support 2-stream or 3-stream, we can use the substring to storage it, and it can cut down partly the cost. We can see from here the substring, the ability, what kind of resolution support, what kind of bit rate support, we can frame rate support, then we can select and save. But don't forget enable. So every function in our device we need to enable. Also we can direct copy all channel, no problem. So this is some briefly introduction about these two models connect to our XVR. Also we can connect to the online network. There is P2P functions we can enable. Then use our mobile to add the device. IDMS class. Also, IDMS class. We can scan this device serial number. Then add it. Choose when it includes device name, anyone is okay. It's on XPR. Username is admin. Password is admin 123. Then save it as device. Then we can get live view from here. Also, we can get notification from here. We need to enable the alarm from this device.